Imagine a bomber so fast, so advanced, that no enemy fighter or missile could catch it. A machine designed to dominate the skies at Mach 3. Meet the North American XB-70 Valkyrie, the USA's ultimate high-speed strategic bomber, a beast that pushed the boundaries of aviation in the 1960s. In the heat of the Cold War, the U.S. Air Force needed a bomber that could penetrate deep into Soviet territory, deliver nuclear payloads, and escape at blistering speeds. Enter the XB-70 Valkyrie, a Mach 3 plus bomber designed to fly higher and faster than anything before it. Developed in the late 1950s by North American Aviation, it was meant to outrun enemy defenses and become the backbone of U.S. strategic deterrence. The Valkyrie was a technological marvel. With 6 General Electric YJ-93 engines, it could reach speeds over Mach 3, nearly 3,300 kilometers per hour. Its unique delta-wing design, combined with downward-folding wingtips, provided unmatched aerodynamic efficiency and directional stability at speeds above Mach 2.5. The aircraft even used a process called compression lift, where shockwaves actually help generate lift, improving fuel efficiency at high speeds. So if the XB-70 was this advanced, why didn't it enter service? The rise of intercontinental ballistic missiles ICBMs made high-speed bombers nearly obsolete. Plus, Soviet surface-to-air missiles like the SA-2 posed a serious threat, even to a Mach 3 aircraft. The U.S. shifted focus to missiles and stealth aircraft, leading to the cancellation of the program. Only 2 XB-70 prototypes were built, one tragically lost in a mid-air collision during testing. Despite never seeing combat, the XB-70's legacy lives on. Its research contributed to the development of future high-speed aircraft, including the SR-71 Blackbird, and even concepts for hypersonic flight today. It was truly ahead of its time. Want more deep dives into forgotten military marvels and advanced tech? Subscribe to Advanced Tech World and join us as we uncover the secrets of aviation history. Hit that like button and turn on notifications for more cutting-edge content. See you in the next one.